Hi there. I was teaching Excel this morning and had a question about how can I conditionally format an entire row in a table. So what I was demoing was to be able to select and use conditional formatting. And let's say we want to highlight all the sales rows. If I go in and highlight text that contains sales, I can pick what I need here. I can highlight just sales, but I want to do the entire row. That takes a more complex setup. So conditional formatting, and actually to do this, let's go ahead and select the entire table of data. Into conditional formatting, new rule, use a formula to determine which cells. And here's where it gets tricky. You've got to write a formula that says when this cell is equal to sales, then I want you to format a specific color. Now, one little tweak in here. So when I clicked on that C2, what it did was put $C, $2. Now that's an absolute reference. What I need to do is keep the $sign on the C for the column, but remove the $sign for the row. I want it to look at the entire row, and let's just say okay here and see what we get. There we go. We got it. So now it is highlighting the entire row for sales. So let me open that back up again so you can see it. Manage rules. There it is. Edit the rule. Okay. Equals $sign C2, the cell that contains what you're looking for. And then for text, I had to put quotes in there. No help in here with your formulas, so you've got to know what to write. Hope that helps you. Have a great day.